tutorial, I am going to be showing you guys how I went from this to this in literally 10 minutes.
I don't want to seem all rude, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't want to waste no time, and you don't want to waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't eat.
So I'm starting off with these old but moisturized cornrows that I've had for a while, and to get the front looking the part, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my got to be glued invincible styling gel until it is dry and crisp. Thank you so much to MyFirstWig for sponsoring this video. The wig that I have is the GINA COILY unit, and this is a kinky curly unit with a 3C4A curl pattern. Guys, they did include a couple of headbands, a scarf to tie my edges, and I had this backpack that had like bobby pins, a rat tail comb, croc clips. It also came with a satin bonnet as well as a unit. It has two combs on the side, one in the middle and one at the back, as well as the velcro, which for me I think was long enough. Okay, so regardless of your head size, you know, the velcro is going to help you adjust the headband accordingly. So for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that I always define my kinky curly units before I put them on, but I wanted to show you guys how this wig looks if you put it on without like defining the curls. Okay, so the only thing I did was, you know, take the wig, put it on my head. I just sprayed water to loosen the curls. I didn't use a brush or anything like that. And guys, this is what the hair looks like. Guys, this hair is so full, like the density of this hair is amazing. Okay. After wearing this hair like this, I think for about a couple of weeks, I decided to go ahead and define the curls. Guys, this is how I wear my kinky curly units. There's never a time you see me wear my kinky curly units without defining the curls. So to define the curls, I just went ahead and filled up my spray bottle with water and added a few like drops, not drops, and added a little amount of my Tresemme conditioner as well. Shook up the bottle, sprayed it on the unit, and used my brush to kind of like comb that down. I did that off camera, but for those of you who want to see how I actually define my like textured units, I'm gonna go ahead and link maybe a couple of videos, maybe one or two, and guys, trust me, it's basically the same step: water, conditioner, a brush, and that's it. I've had this wig since November, and guys, this is like April as of when I'm recording this voiceover. This is like April. Okay, so I've had this wig for about 6 months, and this wig has been amazing. If you want to use this hair to the gym, I recommend you kind of like put it up in a bun. And I mean, I've seen a couple of YouTubers show you guys how to put your headband wig in the bun, but I didn't do that in this tutorial. I was only showing you guys how I wear this wig. Okay. I think here I'm just showing you guys how I define the curls, because I know that there's some people who will say like, Love it. How did you define the curls? Even after I've told you that there's a video in the description box that shows you guys how to define the curls. So I took a small section of hair and sprayed that with water, and because I didn't have any conditioner here, I just applied my leave-in conditioner, and guys, it gave me the same result. After that, I just went ahead and brushed it out with my brush. This is how you define your curls. Like if you have any textured units like a 3C, 4A, 4B, 4C textured unit, guys, this is how you define your units. This was my favorite style of all the styles. It felt so natural. I just took out yarn, tied it, and that was it. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Thank you for the love. Thank you for sharing this in advance. Thank you for your comments in advance. Thank you for liking this in advance. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.